Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix add-ons not working in Streamio. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Streamio add-ons can malfunction for various reasons, but common fixes includes updating your Streamio app and add-ons or clearing the Streamio cache. You need to also ensure a stable internet connection and check for compatibility issues. So outdated versions of Streamios or add-ons can cause incompatibility issues. You need to ensure both Streamio and the relevant add-ons are updated to the latest version available. After this, if the problem is not fixed yet, you can also opt clearing the local storage, which can help you resolve issues caused by corrupted and outdated files. You also need to check the internet connection and ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet. If nothing works, you can simply uninstall and reinstall your add-ons to fix this problem. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.